As you guys saw in the last video, we made it home. Everything's good. But both cars are broken in various ways. We had a lot of fun. Everything went great. The cars did not survive and now they need a lot of repairing. So it's time to get to it. Fix these clappers. It's crooked. Turn your wheel to the right, to the right. Stop.
Не получаете?
Just wait. I need you. It's just a whole exhaust.
Got air gun.
Okay, damage report. Front end is looking pretty beat. I smashed that headlight hitting a barrier. Lost both of my grills, damaged the kidney grill holders. Whatever it's called, this fender got destroyed. Yeah, got all messed up, big ass crease right there. And of course the main damage is suspension. We go back here. We hit a couple barriers, damaged the exhaust, melted my bumper.
This corner is me rear-ended you.
This Mark rear-ended me.
No, that's it.
This side?
Yeah.
Yeah. This monkey hit me. He rear-ended me. I said let's get doors, not let's get rear-ended me. Anyways, this I hit a barrier.
You brake, rolling nose transition.
Yeah, it's my fault, but I don't have enough practice to know how to drift like that.
Well, you just need to get a little more coordinated, it's fine.
Overall, it's not that bad.
It's still in one piece, it runs and drives.
Basically, yeah.
10K or better offer, I know what I have. Daily driven.
With the 391, I asked 7 grand on the highway trying to hit the speed limit. Tops out at speed limit. On this side. Oh yeah. Let me get you guys a bit closer so you can see this damage right here. My temporary repair at the track did not hold up for too long. These washers got clapped. We basically just used the air gun and just kept on gunning it down till the washers got like held it on, but not enough. Just ruined a couple good washers. I mean, we got 3 more laps out of these washers. That's good. Ah, of course. Man, I even damaged this side. Oh, schmack. Schmack my finger with the hammer. We got it. Now for the fun part. Fixing this mistake. There we go. Now to just sit here and screw this for the next hour. It's off. This is what it looks like. All this you see right here, this is an attempt to fix it at the track. I have a replacement piece. We'll go get the replacement, screw it back on, and reassemble. But first, we need to do some body work on this fender. Got the replacement part straight from Max speeding rods, and we send it on. Let's see if it even threads on. And we are good. Look at that. There you go. That's all that was required. If I had this at the track, maybe Mark would have been able to compete. Let's try to body work this fender. Oh yeah, got no clue what I'm doing. Oh yeah. Look at that. Already looking worse than I started. Ooh, look at those high spots I'm making. Oh yeah, we back. Now let's get this wheel back on. We can drive this hole after we mount the bumper and a few more other things. You guys get the gist. fenders were perfect. Not a single scratch on them before they got into my hands. What can I say? I'm just a master at body work. Oh yeah, no problem. Brand new. Like nothing ever happened. Look at that beauty. It's good to go.